I'm Kimberly LaLuz, and you know what goes great with holiday eats? Cocktails and mocktails. Yep, Valentine's Day is here. So let's make some pomegranate and cranberry Bellinis. Simple syrup. It got its name because it's 1 part sugar and 1 part water. Mine is infused with lemon and mint, but you can infuse it with whatever you'd like. So to that, we're gonna add 1 part cranberry juice and 1 part pomegranate for a really special take, and this is the base. For a mocktail, you top this with a little bit of sparkling water, and for a cocktail, a nice dry prosecco. Sure, garnishing with a sprig of mint is pretty, but it's also gonna freshen up your breath for that Valentine's Day smooch. Cheers!